was a little girl, afraid of the big white world. She grew up within her castle walls. Now and then she tried to run, and then on a night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. Everything you want to go, that'll be the magic story you've been told, and you'll be safe under my control. Just let me in. Just let me in. She knew she was hypnotized and walking on cold thin ice. Then it broke and she